In this video, I'm going to perform service light reset on this Toyota CHR. So if you can see here, you'll get the oil maintenance required message comes on. This comes on when your service is due. You will see the remaining kilometers on the bottom of the screen. So once you do the oil and filter change or the required service parts replacement, so you need to reset the service reminder. So this is how the procedure goes. Press the start and stop switch twice. You will see all the dash lights comes on. So what you need to do, use the trip button, press the trip button as you can see on the dash. Keep pressing it and you get into trip A. Then you need to hold the trip button. While holding, you need to turn off the ignition. So even you turn off the ignition, you keep the trip button pressed more than 10 seconds. And then while still holding the trip button, you turn the ignition on. Then you will see on the dash what you saw just before. It erases automatically and comes back into normal cluster. Then just start the car and you will see the service reminder is reset. This is a quick procedure, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment below if you have any ideas. Thank you.